Good day, everyone. My name is Geraldine Lopez, and today I'm excited to share Rewear Reborn, a sustainability venture grounded in my personal upbringing but designed for the Canadian fashion landscape. My goal today is simple: to show you how a garment that someone gives up can be brought back to life beautifully, affordably, and sustainably. I'd like to start with something personal because this venture didn't come from a textbook. It came from a childhood lesson. Growing up in a Filipino household, hand-me-downs weren't something to be embarrassed about. They were about our culture of practicality. Clothes were repaired, resized, sometimes creatively altered, but never wasted. I didn't know it then, but that was my first exposure to sustainability, long before sustainability became a global priority. When I came to Canada, I noticed something very different. Canadians buy a lot of clothing, but more importantly, Canadians throw away a lot of them. And what struck me most is this: a large portion of these garments could still be worn, repaired, or redesigned. That contrast became the seed for Rewear Reborn. Let's take a closer look at where this issue stands today. Fast fashion has created a culture of overconsumption. We buy more, use shorter, and dispose quicker than any generation before us. Canada, unfortunately, is a perfect example of that trend. A recent study highlighted that Canadians discard over 500,000 tons of textile every year. That's clothing with life still left in it. Clothing that could be saved, reused, or repurposed. And when these garments hit landfills, they don't just disappear. They release methane, microplastics, and chemicals harmful to the planet. The cost of fashion isn't just economic. There's also an environmental debt being created with every garment that we discard. This system is harmful, inefficient, risky, and unsustainable. And at the heart of this problem is the linear model: take, make, consume, waste. It's a cycle built for speed, not longevity. Fast fashion brands produce hundreds of styles every month. They encourage constant newness. Canadians, influenced by trends, often wear clothes for a few times. So the real problem isn't that people love fashion. Who doesn't love fashion? It's that fashion system is built around disposability, which has serious consequences. Now let's look at the opportunity hidden inside this problem. According to McKinsey and Company, only about 20% of textile waste is reused in a meaningful way. That means the other 80% goes straight into landfills, even though a large portion of those garments are still wearable or easily transformable. So the issue isn't just waste, it's underutilized potential. And here's where the gap is. Canadians genuinely want sustainable options. They want to reduce waste, shop better, and choose better. However, the choices available are currently limited, too expensive, or completely inaccessible. This gap between what Canadians want and what the market offers is exactly where Rewear Reborn steps in. It turns that unused 80% into something valuable again. Now imagine a different kind of fashion experience for Canadians. One that doesn't require buying more, but simply reimagining what you already have. Imagine an old dress becoming a stylish top. Imagine jeans that no longer fit being recut into a modern silhouette. Imagine repairing a favorite piece instead of letting it go. This is the circular model, one that creates value without creating waste. Rewear Reborn is a consumer upcycling service that brings this circular idea into life. It offers three simple paths. One is repair, mending, resizing, reinforcing, keeping quality pieces in circulation. Redesign, updating outdated garments into modern fits and silhouettes. Personalization, adding embroidery, embellishment, custom adjustments that make a piece truly yours. The beauty of this model is that it doesn't add to the world's textile footprint. It transforms what we already have. As Hirsch, Peters, and Shepard describe, this is entrepreneurship through value creation using existing resources. This idea is also deeply personal. Beyond my upbringing, I've had the privilege of supporting a small Igorot, our indigenous weaving community in the Philippines. Artisans who practice sustainable craft by necessity, not trend. They repurpose scrap fabric, maximize natural materials, and design with environmental respect. A sample of their creation is the top I'm wearing now, repurposed from an old skirt, and the images on the slide. Their creativity in making something new from something old shaped the reborn aesthetic and its purpose. I wanted to bring that spirit here in Canada, where we have the resources, the demand, and the environmental urgency to make this shift. Now let's talk value, the part of the venture that resonates directly with Canadians. For consumers, Rewear Reborn offers a chance to refresh wardrobe pieces without overspending, a way to express creativity and individuality, a reduction in clutter and unnecessary spending, a guilt-free, sustainable alternative to fast fashion. This aligns with what Matty highlighted. Consumers want fashion that doesn't harm the planet, and they prefer solutions that blend affordability with impact. So what does success look like if Rewear Reborn scales? For one, we reduce waste, one garment at a time. We empower consumers to buy less and value more. We extend the lifespan of clothing, reducing landfill pressure. We cultivate a culture of repair, reuse, and respect for resources. This is the new bliss, a future that feels better than the one we have today. And this future isn't abstract. You can see it, you can hold it, you can wear it. Imagine workshops in local communities where people learn basic repair skills. Imagine a studio where designers and customers collaborate to reinvent garments. Imagine seeing someone proudly saying, "I didn't buy this new, I brought it back to life." That's emotional. So here's where I need your partnership. With your support, Rewear Reborn can establish a small upcycling studio, a local designer and sewing team, a workflow that allows Canadians to easily submit garments, a community education program on repair and sustainable fashion. Together, we can turn waste into wearable change and make circular fashion not just a niche option, but a Canadian norm. So this venture started with a single repair shirt in my childhood. Today, it has a potential to transform how Canadians experience fashion with creativity, responsibility, and a heart for our planet. Thank you very much for your time, and please have a good day.